type Node.js in the browser and search. Click on the official website of Node.js, node.org. And now it will be visible on your browser as 32-bit or 64-bit Windows. My system is 64-bit, so I will download the 64-bit AMSI file. And when the AMSI file of Node.js is downloaded, I will close the browser. When we click on the download AMSI file, a pop-up will appear. In this we will click on the run button, so that the process of installing Node.js starts. Now next button is visible. We will click on it. Now we have to accept the terms and conditions of Node.js. I will check I accept the terms and conditions and click on the next button. Now in this screen we have to specify the path of the Node.js installer where we have to install the Node.js in our system. I will install Node.js in C directory in my system. You can choose a path of your choice and say you want to install Node.js. Now some options are visible on our screen. Which Node.js runtime, npm package manager, online documentation shortcuts, add to path. In this I will leave the default selected. And I will click on the next button. After all these processes are completed, we can now see the install button. So now we will click on the install button and wait for some time until Node.js and npm gets installed in our system. Now the install is complete. The screen will be gray. Click on finish button to install. And now we will open cmd or command prompt again. And again we will type node.v on command prompt and check. Node.js 18 version is installed in our system. If you want to read a detailed guide related to this video, I have the link in the video description. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit my website tutsmake.com.